everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's cooking video, we are going to show a simple and fast method for how to make a spicy and tasty goat brain fry. Before we start, let's crush the pepper. Crush them like a half-inch size. Two medium-sized onion, two green chilies. First thing first, turn on the stove and maintain a low flame for the entire time. Once pan turn hot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add chopped onions and fry them until turns golden yellow. To avoid the raw odor, add 1 teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste. Add green chilies, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons pepper. Salt as required. Mix it well. For this recipe, today I took 6 numbers of goat brains. Break it and turn it gently to cook. Do not mix fine. Mix it like a egg bhurji. And cook for a few minutes, hardly 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Then turn off the stove and add some coriander leaf. We can eat this with rice, chapati, as a side dish for dal or any veg or non-veg curries. Try this recipe and let us know in comment below. I will see you soon in our next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Thank you.